All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you simply can't just create a second dating app on the same device when one has been banned. Why do we all make such a big deal about why you need anti-detect web browsers and you need email addresses and SIM cards and reset devices and why you need all that? Why you can't just keep creating dating app accounts after it gets banned? Just delete the app. Why can't you just download it again and create another one, use a different email? I get a few questions along those lines, and so I thought I'd simplify it a bit using good old Microsoft Paint. The reason I'm doing this is because I noticed on the last video I did, in which I described proxies and VPNs using the same kind of method by using Paint and simplifying it and stuff. I noticed people liked that and people found it easy to understand. So I thought I'd describe another complicated topic, which is dating apps and the complexity around it and how it seems to be the holy grail of OnlyFans marketing and OnlyFans traffic. So I thought perhaps I can break that down for you all and describe it in a similar way using good old Microsoft Paint. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and chairs and lights and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get you back to the video. So, all right. So if you haven't noticed, this little symbol here is representing all dating apps, but in particular, it's representing Tinder and Bumble because those are the two most commonly used and the two that will give you the most problems. So let's break it down here, all right? So here is the dating app, Tinder, but it's obviously representing Tinder and Bumble. So what we are doing is we are creating, let's make this a bit bigger, eh? Oh, now we're talking. Okay, so this is the dating app, and here's our accounts, all right? Now, in the accounts that you create, you have a device ID, which is getting sent to Tinder. You have your email address that is getting sent to Tinder. You have the phone number that is getting sent to Tinder. And you have the internet slash IP address slash SIM card getting sent to Tinder. All right. So I'll say it again. So you have the device ID going to Tinder, which is the laptop, the phone you're using, whatever, that's going to Tinder. Then you have the email address that you use to create the account going to Tinder. Then you have the phone number that you use to verify the accounts going to Tinder. Then you have the IP address slash SIM card slash however you're using the internet going to Tinder. Okay. So by creating one account, you have sent all of these things to Tinder saying that this is all linked to the one account that you've created. Now, what happens when that one account gets banned? Well, Tinder bans the device ID, it will ban the email address, it will ban the phone number, and it will ban the IP address slash SIM card slash however you're using the internet. Okay, it will ban all those. So people ask, why can't I just create a new email address? Well, let me show you what happens. Okay, so let's remove that email address. We'll throw that email address away. Where have we got this little thingy? Oh, that's a bit smaller. Can't you make it bigger? I haven't used this in a long time. I swear to God. Surely you can make this bigger. There we go. Now we're talking. That's not very big. But anyway, okay. So we'll wipe out that email address. We don't need that anymore. Okay. Now we'll get a new email address, but we'll use the same phone. We'll use the same, IP address, same internet. We use the same phone number. Okay. But now we've got a new email address, all right? So the new email address is going to be blue. The email address goes to Tinder. We create a new account, okay? So we're creating this new account with this new email address, totally new. Tinder's never seen it before. But oh, wait, it's sending the phone device ID. It's still sending the phone number. It's still sending the same internet. But Tinder has already banned these things. It's banned that. It's banned that. It's banned the device. So Tinder says, okay, I don't recognize this email address, but by golly, I still recognize the device, I still recognize the phone number, I still recognize the SIM card. And so guess what happens? The account gets banned. Before you even get it off the ground, it gets banned. All right. Now, let's step it up a notch. Let's see how much we can back this, eh? Let's see how much we can back it. Okay. So now you say, okay, new email address. What about like a Stuff a new email address, new phone number. I reckon we'll get a new email address, new phone number, and then I reckon we can just create another account. Like, no worries. Tinder won't have any idea what's going on. New phone number, new email address. I'm using the same phone, but if we use like a new email address, new phone number, Tinder won't have any idea. So let's play that out, shall we? Okay. So the new account, all right, here's the new email address, green. The new phone number, it's going to Tinder. Tinder says, oh, wow, okay, I don't recognize this email address. I don't recognize this phone number. But hang on. I recognize that internet. Hang on. I recognize that device ID. They've been banned before. So guess what? It gets banned, okay? Now let's up this again. I'm explaining this because this is literally how deep the rabbit hole goes. Tinder, Bumble, they know all this, and you do need to go to these lengths to create a new account. Yeah, it could look, oh, wow, that's a lot. Surely not. You don't need to do that. Oh, you do because they know what we're doing and they don't want us to do it. All right. Okay, look, you can even up it again. We can just keep doing this. You can even up it again. Remove the SIM card. New SIM card, new phone number, new email address. All right. So I'll wipe this out. There you go. Change that. New internet. By SIM card, I mean internet, if you haven't figured that out. Okay, new internet. So what color will do this one, eh? We'll go gold. Okay, so we've still got the same phone. We'll just say it's a Samsung Galaxy. We still get our Samsung Galaxy, even though it's an iPhone. Fuck it, we get an iPhone. Whatever, I don't care. Okay, so we're still using our iPhone, but okay, swap out the SIM card. We now got a new SIM card / internet. So we'll create a new account. We'll verify it with a totally new number. Tinder's never seen it. And we'll use our totally new iCloud or email address. Tinder's never seen it. Then he goes, okay, they're creating a new account. Yeah, don't recognize that email. Don't recognize that phone number. Yeah, don't recognize that IP address. Hang on a minute. Have I banned that device before? And you guessed it. They ban the account. Yes, they do. So the only way to create another account, let's see how much we can go back, eh? We'll see how much we can go back. So the only way to actually create another account is to change all of these things. Say if you're using an internet browser, well then that SIM card there will be the IP address, proxy IP address. That will be the phone number you're using. You can even use sites like Text Verified to get like a fake number that you can use to verify. And you can obviously create a new email, no worries. And then this would represent the laptop or the Mac or the device you're using. So it all applies the same. Now, the only way to create a brand new account, as I was saying earlier, is to replace all of these. But wait, you say, fuck, I can't get a new laptop. I can't just get a new phone every time I want to create the account. No, you don't have to. If you haven't seen my other videos, you simply just reset the phone. Because when you reset the phone, I don't mean just turning it off and on again. I mean rebooting it, factory resetting. When you factory reset a phone, it gets a new device ID. Let's see if we can write this on the mouse. It's a new device ID. Device ID. So all of a sudden, when you're creating a new account after the phone has been factory reset, suddenly the phone looks totally new to Tinder. So then you replace all the others with the new stuff. So when you factory reset the phone, factory reset the device, then you pair it with a brand new email, a brand new phone number, and a brand new IP address / SIM card. All of a sudden, let me find it. All of a sudden, looks like a brand new account to Tinder. And then you're on your merry way. Now, if you're running an agency or if you just run your own OnlyFans account, you'll want more than one account to be effective because you want to market in different cities, different countries and that. So you can imagine when you're doing this on a large scale, you need some kind of reliable system, reliable, cost saving, cost efficient, cost effective. That's probably the word, system. So then still we land on iPhones because yes, there's that clone that's like $2,000. You can get a cracked one, but then you can't update your Android OS. And then, yeah, you can use anti-DDoS web browser, but then you need it's a lot. Oh, yeah, but anti-DDoS web browser, that's a lot cheaper. Oh, yeah, it's a lot cheaper. But if you consider how frequently you're going to be creating these accounts, because when you create a Tinder or Bumble account from an anti-DDoS web browser or a browser in general, It inherently starts off on a less than usual trust score, which means Tinder and Bumble are already kind of on the offensive when they see an account created with a web browser. So that's why we landed on phones, because our accounts typically last for at least 1 month. And we don't need to verify using the secret Yoffi method showing on. Oh, yeah, you guessed it. Oh, yeah. Every time I say something, if you're thinking, oh, I wonder if he puts it on the Empire. Yeah, of course I do. I don't care about scarcity mindset set fucking bullshit. What I know, it will be on here. Oh yeah, but no, I've seen it, and no, he's trying to charge $79 for premium. That's it. No, no worries. Go pay 2 grand for a chatting mastermind course. Go pay $500 for a course you found on the Lost Boys selling some course on their Insta. I say that because that was literally the most dog shit course I've ever seen. Oh my God, looks like ChatGPT wrote it. I don't think I saw one diagram in that course, but that's literally why I created this because I was sick of buying all these fucking shit courses when I was learning, and I was thinking, my God, I wish there was something of value where someone was actually willing to share the knowledge and not trying to gatekeep half of it in order to make money. And half of these courses, I'm pretty sure, are sold by people that don't even run agencies. So I thought, what would have helped me when I was starting off? My golly, if this was, tell you what, I would have been fucking in the same spot I am, but 2 years earlier if this was available for me. So 79 is too much to access that. No worries at all. No worries. You have fun. Good luck. You can still keep watching my videos, but yeah. You won't have any of this. Oh yeah, but no, I get these chatting scripts like, oh no, I found this cool chatting course and stuff like that. I'd say, so yeah. So anyway, so I hope that explained it. If it sounds a little complicated, it's because it is complicated, but I thought I'd try and break it down the best I could. So I hope that explained it. So yeah, if you like the content, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the M5 forums.